Are you spending hours writing repetitive Excel macros, struggling to debug complex VBA code, or maybe you have inherited bloated workbooks with no idea where to start? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced financial world, automation isn't a luxury, it's necessity. Yet, most finance professionals still waste precious time doing tasks that GenAI and VBA can now handle in seconds. Hi, my name is Aseem Singhal. I worked at Deutsche Bank, taught students at top universities, and built successful fintech startups focused on data, automation, and algo trading. Now I'm bringing that expertise to you in my latest course, GenAI for writing and auditing VBA macros in finance. This course is designed specially for finance professionals who want to do one of these. Either they want to automate their everyday Excel tasks using VBA without being a programmer, use GenAI to write and explain VBA macros even for most complex financial models. So here's what you'll master. GenAI prompt engineering. Learn how to write effective prompts that generate working, well-commented VBA code. VBA fundamentals for finance. So from editor basics to loops, variables, and user-defined functions, all taught with finance first examples. So whether you are a financial analyst, accountant, trader, or finance manager, this course will help you save hours, boost accuracy, and future-proof your skill set. This isn't just a course, it's a shift in how you work with Excel. You'll stop thinking of macros as a pain and start seeing them as an opportunity. Join me in GenAI for writing and auditing VBA macros in finance, and let's turn manual Excel work into fast, scalable, intelligent automation. See you inside.